Moto here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean motocross boots. Very, very simple, but I'm going to be giving you guys my strategies. I don't have a power washer, so this is going to be completely with a garden hose. So yeah, enjoy the video. So for my method, I'd suggest getting some old folding chair. I'm sure we all have them. And just kind of flip it upside down. Wherever you want to clean your boots, which using this method you could put it in your grass and you won't get your boots all dirty. Then you just want to get a few rags. It doesn't have to be fancy ones, it could be really messy ones. You could also use paper towels if you don't have any, but just some cheap eBay rags will do. Yeah, get the boots onto the chair. Your rags, we have our boots, the chair, and a garden hose. Basically, all you want to do is you want to get your rags folded two times, half and half, and put them on the chair legs, the highest ones. Using this method, you can actually wash two boots at the same time, two pairs of boots at the same time, so that's pretty neat. Then you just want to get your boots, the little open side right here, you want facing in, so just like this, so where you can slide the open side on the little bar of the chair, if your chair has one. If it doesn't, that's completely fine, but that's just to kind of help the boot from twisting side to side. Get this one too, upside down, and just kind of stick it on there like that. Doesn't have to be anything special. I just recommend getting a nozzle like this. You can find these at Home Depot for really cheap. You should have one of these, or just eBay, 10 bucks. Then just spray them down. Really, really easy to do. And the nice thing about them being upside down is if water does get into them, which is pretty likely, it'll end up drying out. It won't get deep into the boot. Now something I like to do is get a little spray bottle, which you can buy at Walmart, and then get a little bit of Dawn dish soap, which is environmental friendly, and it is an excellent degreaser. Actually, for a while I cleaned air filters with it. It'll work fine. And just put it in a little bottle, then you want to add some water to it, and it works as a great little degreaser spray. Now I can just get my spray and spray them down, and then just kind of get that dirt coming off. You want to use some kind of spray, especially if you have white boots, because they will show the most dirt. Again, this is just kind of water and some Dawn dish soap. You don't want to use anything that'll be harmful to the environment. And you want to make sure you use something that's not too harsh, because it is just dirt bike boots, clothing, I guess, leather. Yeah, again, this Dawn dish soap stuff works great as a degreaser. You just kind of spray a little bit of, or just mix a little bit of water in it. Yeah, there we go. We can just kind of let that sit for a little while and just let that do its thing. Alright guys, so now we can just do one last, or not last, just a quick final spray down of the boots just to get some of that cleaner off. Dawn dish soap and water. And you'll notice that the boots won't be completely clean. They'll be a lot cleaner than before, but they won't be, spotless. For some people this is enough cleaning, but I like to clean my stuff even more. So we'll get the boots off the little stand here. Now we can use the rags that were previously inside of it to wipe it off. And I find if you get an old toothbrush, instead of just throwing it away, you can keep them and use them to clean off your boots. These work very, very, very well for getting into all the little tight spaces. And another good cleaning method I use is if you have a nozzle, more than likely it might have a mist function on it, like this. This works really well if you're trying to aggravate the dirt and get it off with a toothbrush. So what I'll tend to do is, see how dirty all this is right here? Spray it with a little bit of our cleaner, which does a lot already. Then we'll just kind of use the mist. And I am only doing this one-handed right now, but if you use a mist and a toothbrush at the same time, you'll get great results, guys. Another method you could use to get some of that dirt out is just like the last one I told you about. Just kind of get a little bit of water and Dawn dish soap mix and go in with the toothbrush, just kind of wherever it's dirty. We'll just do one little small section right here, just this piece right here. And you'll notice that it's completely clean. Alright guys, we're all done. And a lot of the times you'll see, oh hey, there's still a lot of dirt left, even after you cleaned it pretty well on some of the black spots of the boot. So one trick I have is to use a little bit of Dirtbike shining. My special ingredient is Maxima C1. I love this stuff. I put it on a lot of stuff. My dirt bike mainly, because that's what it's made for, dirt bike plastics. But it can detail, you know, your quad, your car, bikes, anything really. But basically you just want to spray a little bit of this stuff on. I'm kind of running out, but yours will come out a lot heavier. But I need to buy some more because I love using this stuff. But basically you put a little bit on. That's if your can isn't out. Goes to show how much I love using this stuff. And boom. Instantly detailed. Yeah, right now it's kind of spraying mostly air, but yeah, stuff works great. I need to buy some more of it though. But yeah, it's like a detailer that works just to get that kind of final shine on the boot. It also helps dirt from sticking. So yeah, Maxima SC1 works great. And of course, it'll spray a lot more than that. Mine's just out. So yeah, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, useful tutorials and stuff. Yeah, this is gonna be it. This is a pretty short, simple tutorial. I just thought that I'd give you guys a few tips. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.